Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube mini-series on Sudsies Couture services. We hope that you enjoy this presentation and find it useful.
Quality Assurance Inspection. Garment inspection is critically important in couture dry cleaning for several key reasons. Couture garments are crafted with delicate fabrics, intricate designs, and fine details, all of which require meticulous care. Final inspection guarantees that every aspect of the garment, from its pristine cleanliness to the flawless condition of buttons, sequins, etc., meets the highest standards of dry cleaning craftsmanship. Sudsies ensures not only a beautiful and elegant garment, but that it also instills a sense of pride and confidence, knowing that you possess a garment of exceptional quality. Examining for imperfections is a crucial step at Sudsies Garment Care, where specialists meticulously inspect for stains, wrinkles, or any unforeseen flaws needing special attention. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every aspect of your garment receives thorough scrutiny, guaranteeing it returns to you in flawless condition. By meticulously addressing every detail, from minor wrinkles to subtle discolorations, your garment emerges looking impeccable, instilling confidence and providing peace of mind that it's ready to wear at its best. Sudsies makes sure that you always have it your way. Couture garments often come with specific instructions and preferences from their owners. Final inspection at Sudsies reflects our unwavering professionalism and commitment to excellence, setting Sudsies apart from the rest. This thorough process ensures that all items meet our high standards before they are returned to you. Our dedication to perfection guarantees that your garments look their best, giving you confidence in our unmatched service. In summary, final garment inspection is more than just a formality. It is a crucial step in ensuring that each garment receives the specialized attention and care it deserves, ultimately delivering a delightful experience to the discerning clientele.